Well, let's begin the broadcast with this breaking news. In fact, politics over the review meeting now. Mamata Banerjee has slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP has hit back. Suvendu Adhikari has given a point-by-point rebuttal to Mamata Banerjee, who alleged that the chief ministers were not allowed to speak and the chief ministers were insulted. Suvendu says Mamata Banerjee is politicizing Prime Minister's meeting with the DMs, and when the Prime Minister did virtually meet the chief ministers, Mamata Banerjee skipped all those meetings. Let's go across to Tamal, my colleague, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. Tamal, a point-by-point rebuttal coming in from Suvendu Adhikari, who says this was a meeting between the Prime Minister and DMs, and when the Prime Minister separately was meeting the chief ministers, Mamata Banerjee was skipping those meetings.
Well, that's right. Suvendu Adhikari, minded, he is also the leader of opposition in the State Assembly, and he has hit back at the Chief Minister. He is suggesting that 5 out of the 7 district magistrates who spoke to the Prime Minister belong to non-BJP ruled states, trying to highlight or indicate that it was not a partisan attitude towards the BJP states or a bias towards the BJP states during the Prime Minister's meeting. That's what Suvendu Adhikari is suggesting as a response to the allegations made by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is saying that there were chief ministers invited also for the meeting, and health being a state subject, the chief minister should have been given a chance and opportunity to speak. Now, if the chief ministers are there, should the district magistrates also be there? It's something that chief minister has also questioned. She is saying that she was there, Kerala chief minister and also Maharashtra chief minister were there, and none of the chief ministers were allowed to speak. Yes, it's a fact that when the meeting was first announced, the notice was given to the district officials, and it is also a fact that Mamata Banerjee had expressed her qualms over the fact that the state government was bypassed and the central government or the Prime Minister's office notification had reached the DM's office directly. Thereafter, there was corrections, and then the Chief Minister was also invited. In fact, the meetings were later distributed over 2 days, 18th and 20th. Today, when the meeting happened, the Chief Minister was there present in the meeting, and she is saying that it was more like a one-way, not just a one-way communication, it was more like a one-way humiliation. She is saying that it is more like bulldozing the federal structure. The states were not consulted, the states were not given an opportunity to highlight the kind of crisis the state of West Bengal is facing. To that, Suvendu Adhikari is saying that there had been meetings in the past that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has skipped, and that possibly explains the sincerity towards the issue. It is a fact that during election campaign, Chief Minister did skip 2 meetings with the Prime Minister, and at that point in time, the political temperatures were soaring, and the Chief Minister said that she was occupied with election campaigning. However, the state was represented by Chief Secretary and the Health Secretary then.
Right. Tamal, stay on with us. Let's take a look at what really irked Mamata Banerjee. This meeting basically was an interaction between the Prime Minister and the DMs. The Chief Ministers were only invited. There was no setup where an interaction on an individual level would take place between the Prime Minister and the Chief Ministers. Listen to what the Prime Minister told the DMs and the reaction that came in from Mamata Banerjee.
आज जो संसाधन है उनका बेहतर से बेहतर उपयोग करके आपने इतनी बड़ी लहर का मुकाबला किया है। साथियों, आपसे बातचीत की शुरुआत में मैं आपको वो दिन याद दिलाना चाहता हूं जब आप इस सेवा में आने के लिए तैयारी कर रहे थे। आज परिस्थितियों ने आपको अपनी क्षमताओं की नई तरह से परीक्षा देने का अवसर दिया है। अपने जिले की छोटी सी छोटी दिक्कत को दूर करने के लिए पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ लोगों की समस्याओं का समाधान करने के लिए आपकी यही भावना काम आ रही है।
It was just a casual super flock meeting. We, the chief ministers, are feeling insulted and humiliated. And we are astonished to see that Prime Minister called a meeting and invited the chief ministers, and all the chief ministers were sitting just like puppet. Nobody is allowed to speak. Then how do we speak about the public demand? We never ask about the COVID vaccine. They never ask about the medicine position. They never ask about the oxygen position. They never ask about the remdesivir, the medicine, the urgent, what is not available in the market now. They didn't ask us for the black fungus, that new disease.
Let's go across to our senior editor Megha Prasad joining us on the broadcast. Megha, the question is this just for the sake of criticizing and politicizing? First, there was a controversy over attack on federal structure. The question was, why was the Chief Minister only meeting DMs? When the Chief Ministers were also invited, Mamata Banerjee says we were insulted, we were not given a chance to speak.
Swati, I think, first somebody should ask Ms. Mamata Banerjee that today, when she is getting so bothered about remdesivir and so bothered about COVID-19 preparations and various resources that she's talking about, why should we not be asking the Prime Minister? Well, let's ask her, Swati. Where was she when the Prime Minister was taking meetings after meetings with the Chief Minister? Was she not busy campaigning in West Bengal? Was she not busy boycotting the Prime Minister's meeting? Just how many meetings of the Prime Minister in this last 1.5 years of the pandemic has she boycotted? Let's ask her that first. I mean, it's very well to play around with words to say, when are we going to ask the Prime Minister about the pandemic and the preparation? Well, today's meeting was not supposed to be with the chief ministers, and that's I think everybody now knows that, because it was a meeting that initially was only kept with the district magistrates of all the districts where the caseloads are high, and the Prime Minister wanted to have a direct interaction with them. Well, she cited the federal structure of the government as to suggest how the chief ministers were being bypassed. Well, this was not the structure of the meeting initially, and while she bulldozed her way into the meeting along with other chief ministers, this was never meant to be an interaction with the Prime Minister and the chief ministers. Well, there are several other chances to do that. In fact, the Prime Minister sits down with the chief ministers, if not twice, at least once a month from the time the pandemic has started. And it has, I mean, why does she not use those chances? I can't quite understand, Swati, that you have official meetings with the Prime Minister where you're supposed to speak. Either you boycott that or you're too busy somewhere else. You send someone in your place. And then today, when it was not supposed to be a meeting with you and the Prime Minister, it was supposed to be district magistrate and the Prime Minister, then you have a problem. And then you try and disrespectfully talk about the Prime Minister to say that, this was a flop show, that it was a dumb meeting, and that, we were not allowed to speak. Well, I think this is twisting the entire situation to your own benefit. It's not fair at all. And secondly, Swati, let's never forget that from the time Prime Minister has taken over 2014, his first term, till now, I can count how many meetings Mamata Banerjee has skipped on one pretext or the other pretext, whether it was the planning meeting, whether it was the Niti Aayog meeting, whether it was the COVID meeting, whether it was One Nation, One Poll meeting. She has been boycotting, missing so many of the meetings, and today it hurt her so much that she was not allowed to speak. And let me quickly add here that one of the district magistrates from West Bengal, 24 Parganas district magistrate, was supposed to speak before the Prime Minister. She protested and got it cancelled, and now she comes out and says that nobody was allowed to speak.
Let me in fact take that point across to Tamal Saha. Tamal, TMC and the Chief Minister herself will have to respond to these questions. A point-by-point rebuttal has come in from the BJP, and it is a fact that the Prime Minister has been holding these review meetings with people at all levels.
Well, that's right. In fact, we have to now wait and see what kind of reaction will this, evoke from Trinamool Congress as a political party. Very unlikely Mamata Banerjee would respond to what Shubhendu Adhikari has said or made allegations about. But then, yes, it's a fact, as I also said, in the run-up to elections, there had been at least 2 meetings that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee chose to skip. But then the state government did attend those meetings, and the state was represented by the Chief Secretary and the Health Secretary. As far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned, in the past couple of days, she had been writing letters after letters. And today as well, she said that she had written letters to the Prime Minister over vaccination, asking us when would the state get vaccination. Also, once again, reiterating her position that if the nation can spend money after new parliament or new statues, then why can't nation spend equal amount of money, and if needed even more, for vaccination of 130 crore people? It's a priority, and the health is a priority and should be the priority for the nation. And that's what she is saying. That today she is saying that while she was there in the meeting, she thought she would get an opportunity to highlight a couple of issues. For example, the oxygen crisis, for example, the crisis of remdesivir, for example, the crisis of vaccines, and also get a perspective, a direction as how to go about vaccination, because there is a vaccination crisis. Just about yesterday or day before, the state has received roughly about 1.4 lakh vaccines. The state has procured. The state is trying to understand what would be the road ahead and how long will it take to vaccinate each and every Indian. So today the meeting happened, but she could not speak, and she is trying to suggest it was not a fair deal and that she feels she has been humiliated.
Well, every meeting has an agenda, and this one was about an interaction between the Prime Minister and the DMs. Thank you very much, Megha and Tamal, for getting us the details. We have some reactions lined up as well. The BJP is hitting back, but the opposition is siding with Mamata Banerjee. Listen.
This behavior is shameful, is condemnable, and least expected from the Chief Minister of a big state in a meeting called by the Prime Minister when the entire country needs to speak in unison in the fight against COVID.
Yet again, the Prime Minister undermined the institutions, the offices of Chief Ministers across the country. This is pandemic time. Entire country is facing the pandemic. They are elected office bearers, elected Chief Ministers through which India speaks. Prime Minister ignores every other political leader from his own party, from other parties, because he is obsessed with his own image. He's obsessed that he should be the only man on screen. He should be the only man being heard. He should be the only man being seen. Now that can't be a priority when you're fighting a crisis. Crisis means teamwork. Crisis means team spirit. I'm afraid the Prime Minister shows no team spirit within the government, outside the government, within the political system, outside the political system. He's obsessed with his own image.
The Honourable Prime Minister and the Honourable Home Minister had in fact pitched their tents literally in West Bengal by addressing large number of rallies and road shows and whatnot. And all kinds of comments were being made, oh Didi, from the mouth of the Prime Minister, and all kinds of insulting and humiliating comments were made, finding that the West Bengal Chief Minister is alone. Mamata ji is right in saying that it was a one-way traffic and a woman alone like a tigress.
ममता बनर्जी जी ये पहली बार ये बात नहीं कह रही। इसके पहले झारखंड के मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत सोरेन भी ये बात बोल चुके हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी अपनी मन की बात करते हैं। हम तो कहेंगे कि आपस में संवाद होना चाहिए और विचारों का आदान प्रदान होना चाहिए। जब संवाद होगा, विचारों का आदान प्रदान होगा, तभी समस्या का समाधान निकलेगा।
And with that, a quick break on the broadcast. Lot more is lined up on the other side as well. We'll be back with mornings and updates.